Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel HD Products. Hope so all are you fine and enjoying the good time. In this video, guys, I am going to tell you that how you can download soft books from Allama Iqbal Open University official site. So guys, before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. So guys, open any browser in mobile phone or your laptop. Go to Google and search AIOU. When you search, you will reach such a page. Here we will the first one link Allama Iqbal Open University. Click on this link. After clicking this, you will be on the official site of Allama Iqbal University. Click OK. You will see such an interface. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you see some links like this. Here is the so many options. Find. Here will be the option of books. Click this book option. When you click, you will have to ask select your program. Click on this. First of all, you have to select your program. Here are many programs like this. As like I select my B.Ed program, select and submit it. When you submit, you will see such a like page. Here will be all the courses of your program. Either they are 1.5 year, 2.5 year, or 4 year. So here is the list of all codes of your book. Find your code like this. Mine is. So here will be the download option. Click on the arrow down button. It will show that download. Click on download. When the download is completed, you will able to open your book. Guys, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.